Hi everyone, welcome back. So another interesting Codeforces question for today is middle class. This is a 1100 rated Codeforces question. So the question says, many years ago, Berlin was a small country where only n people lived. Each person had some savings. Each person had AI bulbs. Government considered a person wealthy if he had at least X bulbs. To increase the number of wealthy people, Berlin decided to carry out some reforms. In that reforms, government would choose a subset of people, take all their savings and redistribute them equally among them. So if these are the savings and government choose 5 and 2, first and third person, so he will take all of their savings, that is total 7, and divide equally, means divide among 2, that is 3.5 pers to each person, so the savings will become this. So the data has been lost from that time. We do not know how many reforms were performed, implemented, and to whom. Now here the question asks us to calculate the maximum possible number of wealthy people after several reforms that can be there. So we just are given people and their savings, and we have to find the maximum number of wealthy people that can be made after reforms. So how shall we do this? First of all, we have to find the maximum number of wealthy people that have savings greater than X. So for that, we can first of all sort the array. After sorting the array, the wealthy people will be at the end. So we can take them because they will only have the chance of having greater than X pearls. We will keep on adding their salaries moving from wealthy to the poor. And if their average is greater than X, that means that is a possible answer. We will keep doing so, keep averaging, and when the average will be less than X, we will stop because we know that if we move from further poor, we won't be able to redistribute. So that will be our maximum answer. So this was the trick in this question. Moving to the solution, let us see what we have to do. We take t number of test cases, move from test cases. For each test case, we take n number of people, x the minimum bulls that they consider for wealthy, array A or array, we take the input, then we sort the array. The sorting will be from poor to the wealthy. So now the total number of wealthy people after redistribution we have kept initially 0. Now the sum is also initially 0. Now we will move from wealthy towards the poor. We move from last to the first. We add his wealth and average it. Average means sum divided by number of people. Now if the average income average is greater than X, that means these people have become wealthy after redistributing. If it is greater than X, so this is a possible answer. So we store the answer in wealthy people, that is total number of people, that is n minus I. If the average is less than X, that means we cannot move further towards the poor and redistribute their wealth to have greater than X. So we just break the loop. We have got the maximum possible answer. So this was the solution. We print the answer, that is number of wealthy people. This will give us the count, the maximum number of wealthy people that can be made after the reforms. So this was the solution. I hope you guys would have understood it. Thank you.